Imagine if we could reverse vision loss using stem cells. NEI is testing a new way to treat dry age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. In people with AMD, tissues in the retina die off, causing vision loss. An animation of the human eye showing the retina. This new treatment creates healthy replacement tissue. Scientists use a patient's blood cells to create stem cells and then retinal tissue. The new tissue is inserted into the retina to protect or even restore vision. An animation shows the process of the creation of stem cells, forming new retinal tissue which is inserted into the retina. NEI 2020, more than meets the eye, nei.nih.gov.